We on a 39th floor. 39th, it means this building has extra large balconies. Other apartments on 38 or low has smaller balcony. This apartment has the hugest balcony in this building. This building, why it's very attractive? So you can use it like primary use, you can use it like second home, and you can use it like income property. This building allows 12 times per year rental. So it means you can rent it when you're not here. We can help you with, and it's very easy because legally building allows. So you can get license and make a rental. Rentals in this building around between $5,000 off season, and in the season it's around $7,000. So let me start from the hallway so you're gonna understand layout and what we have in this apartment. I'm trying always to find some good deals, not just to show you property. Now tell you guys, you know what, this property, and I'm trying to find something good deal. So you're gonna love my videos, not because I'm doing this, because all my videos has good prices for property. So I'm gonna try to save you time with choosing some right apartment for your money. This is a kitchen for sure equipped with all equipment, and it has washer dryer in a unit. So apartment equipped and ready. It has everything, glasses, spoons, whatever. So we renting this apartment for short term, and again, like I said, it's $5,000 off season and $7,000, maybe sometimes $8,000, depends if it's what's dates and months. So master bedroom large size, and master bedroom, guys, is facing to the ocean. This is big size of the bedroom. It has a lot of windows, and it's exactly direct water view. So you're living exactly on a beach line. So you're not watching ocean from mirror, through microscope, from everything. So you're watching ocean direct from your bedroom windows. This is how it looks balcony from the master bedroom. And this is corner property. This is southeast corner. I like the southeast because, again, it's my personal. It's not so hot. So now it's around 12 p.m. and you see no sun already on the balcony, so you can enjoy and see during the day. And this second bedroom has the same view. So apartment has a lot of windows from floor to the ceiling, and the apartment 700 square feet. It is big size. Maintenance $1,000 roughly, and property tax is going to be around $12,000. So basically this is all your expenses. Electrical bill going to be around $120, and internet bill. Apartment has one valet parking free, and like I said before, apartment on 39th floor, and it's offered for sale and for rent, but for sure owner wants to sell it. It has different plans. Guys, if you have any comments, questions, feel free to ask me. I would love to answer for all your comments, bad or good. But and I would love to see you here. We can make a tour for whole apartment in this building, and you can choose the best one which is gonna fit for you, for your budget, and for everything. Guys, thank you for watching, and I see you soon.